Phaeophyceae members are called as brown algae, and these members are showing different shades of the brown color based on the particular pigment, that is fucoxanthin, which is present in them, and most of them are marine forms. Very few are fresh water in their nature, and there is a lot of diversity or variation in the structure, because starting from small organization to the large organization, the body will be present. So, here some of them are filamentous, simple filamentous, like in ectocarpus, to the complex structure which may grow up to 100 meters of height, which forms massive body. So, this type of massive body can be seen in kelps. Likewise, a lot of diversity in the body organization of the Phaeophyceae members. So, here in these members, the cell wall contains a special chemical called as algin. Apart from the cellulose, they contain one more additional layer above that cellulosic cell wall, that is called as algin wall. Then the other characteristic features related to this one is they have the chromatophores in them. So, this chromatophores contains the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Apart from this one, they have xanthophylls and fucoxanthin, violoxanthin and lutein. So, these are different types of structures which are present in the chromatophores, which are concerned with the photosynthetic process. Then the brown color is mainly because of the fucoxanthin, which is present in the cells of Phaeophyceae members. These members will have the reserve food materials in the form of laminarin and mannitol. Here, if you observe the body structure of this Phaeophyceae members, they have multicellular structure, and as I said that some will have the massive body also. Here the body is divided into three parts. One is stipe, hold fast and frond like structure. If you see the body of laminaria, in this laminaria we can see at the basal part some attachment organ which is called as hold fast. Above that one, the thin structure will be there. This thin structure is called as a stipe, and above that the frond like organization will be present. This frond like organization which is concerned with the photosynthesis. Then if you see the structure of fucus, fucus also have the similar parts, hold fast, stipe and the frond, but in the frond we can see some variation. In this one we can see the midrib like organization also. This is a frond structure with a midrib like structure, and apart from this midrib like structure, they contains the gas vacuole or air bladders. So this is the hold fast, stipe, the frond with a midrib and the air bladders. Then in members like in Dictyota, here also we can see the similar organization with many such branching structures. The frond-like organization with hold fast, with a stipe and fronds. So this is a way how this body organization is present in different members of Phaeophyceae with three parts, which is a attachment organ hold fast, the slender part above the hold fast is stipe, and the expanded region which is concerned with the photosynthesis, that is the frond. Reproduction. They participate in a asexual method of reproduction in which they produce spores. Generally these spores are biflagellated and lateral in position. The flagella are present in lateral position and these spores are pear shaped, like with the lateral flagella. So this type of organization where the motile spores are present, these spores with the help of the flagella will disperse and fall in suitable substratum to germinate to give rise to new individuals. The next one is a sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction occurs by oogamy process, where the gametes are also pear shaped and biflagellated as like that of the spores, and these flagella are lateral in position. So oogamous condition where the zygote is formed, the zygote will perpetuate in the daughter generation. Some of the important examples of Phaeophyceae members are Ectocarpus, Fucus, so Laminaria, Dictyota, etc. So the kelps are and one more thing, that the Phaeophyceae members will produce iodine and water holding substance called as algin.